Applique designs are loaded up similarly to the multi-part designs. We start by turning the power on, pressing the home button, and then tapping the OK button on screen. Then tap the pattern icon, scroll down until we find the Applique Designs category, choose any one of the subcategories, and then choose the design that we would like to load. We set the overall height and width, much like we did with quilt blocks. Pressing set will then give us all of the pieces that go to make up that design. And bear in mind, because we're doing applique, it also gives us an overlap. So when these are cut from fabric, we can actually overlap the designs and then stitch them in place. You can of course ungroup this collection and work with them independently. Some of the designs have many different parts to them. Let's take this example. You can see here that there are lots of individual elements that would go into this design. The machine automatically calculates the size of the piece according to the overall size that we set at the beginning, and it also calculates how many we will need for the overall design. We can set them on the mat all at once, or we can cut each element individually and then reload the next part. Each part is an individual shape, and therefore we can move, resize, and edit in much the same way we can with any other shape. So I'll show you here, for example, how I can align and group the set of larger hearts. Quick and easy when you know how. Don't forget, all of the tools will be covered individually in separate videos.